Hello coders, I hope you are coding well. In the previous video, we created and tested Get Manager's API in our Spring Boot application. And in today's video, we will call this Get Manager's API from our Angular application. So let's get started. So in our Angular application, first of all, we need to create a method in our admin service to call the API. And to do this, we will open admin.service.ts, and in this service we will copy this get projects method and we will paste this method here. And now we need to update the method name, and we will replace this get projects with get all managers. And after this we need to update the API URL, and to do this we will replace this projects slash all with admin slash managers. And with this our get all managers method is completed in the admin service. And now let's save this file, and after this we need to call this method from our component. And to do this we will open manage managers.component.ts, and in this component we need to create a new method, and we will name this method as get all managers. And in the body of this method we will use admin service, and then we will call get all managers method. And after this we will subscribe the response, and we will name this as res, and we will write an arrow function. And after this we need to save this response in a variable. So first of all we will create a new variable, and we will name this variable as managers, and the type of this will be any. And now let's go back to our method, and in the body of this method we will use our managers variable. And after this we will set the response in this, and after this we will write a console.log statement, and in this we will log our managers variable. And after this we need to call this method on the load event of this page. And to do this we will go to ngOnInit method of this component, and after calling this get all projects method we will call this get all managers method. And with this our TS code is completed. And now let's save this file and let's run our Angular application. And as you can see our application is up without any errors. And now let's go to the browser and let's validate the functionality of our managers API. And in the browser we will hit F12 to open the console, and after this we will click on this managers menu. And as you can see we got redirected to manage managers page, and on the load of this page we got the response of our API logged in the console. And in the response we can see two manager details. And that's it for today's video. In the next video we will write the code to show these managers on this page.